Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set Lovely Wishes. This stamp set is retiring shortly. So what I have here is a piece of paper that I've cut a circle out of, and I'm going to use that as a mask. I have a little bit of really not very sticky washi tape. I'm just going to hold it in place. This is instead of, say, masking paper that you can purchase, or this is just a piece of cardstock that I have cut a shape out of, and now I'm going to do some sponging. So the three colors that I'm sponging with today are Soft Sky, Marina Mist, and Island Indigo. Now all three of these colors happen to be retiring. Isn't that sad? The nice thing is that they really do blend very, very nicely together. So if you're looking for a seascape or trying to look for three very nice blues that have a tendency to blend very nicely together, these would be it. So I have my Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I'm stamping up my I just got the reason why it was called Stampin' Up. Hello. I can't believe that took me 4 years to figure out. So I am stamping with my images here, just in black ink from the Lovely Wishes stamp set from Stampin' Up! I am using my piercing mat as a platform into which I can stamp on. This gives a little bit of cushion, and it helps, and I actually do hold the stamp there for a while so that the ink actually absorbs into the cardstock, and that's just plain Whisper White cardstock. So I think that some people have called this a silhouette look, but that's not what I'm going for here. Okay, so this is Island Indigo card base, and I'm using my fast fuse, and I always have a little bit of trouble with fast fuse. Sometimes it works for me and sometimes it doesn't. Love-hate relationship. Stampin' Up! Doesn't sell it anymore, so it's too bad, but I'm going to use mine up. So, and I do quite like it. It's very extreme tape, to double-sided tape. So I'm adhering that to a mat of black, and the mat is just like a 1/16 of an inch all the way around. So it's just a little bit of a whisper of a border, and I just wanted to bring out that black. So now I'm coming in with my alcohol markers. These are Blends alcohol markers, and the blends are will be ready for purchase in June with the new catalog launching. So I just have been using them. You can use your other alcohol markers, or even, I think in this technique, I don't know, I think it has to be alcohol markers because I'm going actually over top of ink. So, and you can see that you can actually see the green coming through, or the purple in this case for the blossoms. So that's Rich Raspberry. That was Old Olive combo, and that was the two alcohol markers that I used, or the two combos. So now I'm just adding a little bit of embellishment, and just with a black heart. I thought was really cute. So that's my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.